This is Brian back with the Hedera HBAR token update, and the markets are just starting to turn green this afternoon. If you look on the right hand side here, not too much red out there. Unfortunately, HBAR is one of the only ones in the red. We're down 4.75%, and that I totally believe is some of these RSIs resetting. We'll get into this a little bit deeper in a second. We came back and we actually hit that price zone right there that we were talking about pulling back to yesterday. So I'm going to get that off the screen and clean it up there, okay? We came back to that, which we were talking about that yesterday. That was a pullback to the, let's see here, that 618 Fibonacci line, okay? So we're going to see if we get that bounce from here, and I'm going to show you some things that are lining up here for a run up. So first off here, I got the article for you. And if you could please hit that subscribe button, I would appreciate that very much. Hedera HashGraph price prediction for April 2023. Alright, it goes over Hedera HashGraph's ecosystem, the growth. I'm not going to bore you guys with all that stuff. If you own a coin, I'm sure you've done your research and you know what you're holding. So here, HBAR price prediction. In January, I said that Hedera was a sleeping giant that could wake up. In that article, I predicted that the coin would do well. This prediction was accurate as the coin has done well this year. The 4-hour chart shows that HBAR has been in a strong bullish trend in the past few weeks. This rally saw the coin jump to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. It has now pulled back and is being supported by the 25-day and 50-day moving averages. HBAR has also formed a break and retest pattern by moving to the key support at 0.068. It's above that right now, the highest point on March 14th. A closer look shows it has formed what looks like a double top pattern. Therefore, the coin will likely remain on edge in the next few days and then recover to the 786 retracement on the Fibonacci to 0.089 cents in April. This price is about 26% above the current level. Totally agree with that, and I'm going to show you that and show you where that 786 lines up. I've been talking about this thing for breaking up for a while, but here's a pretty cool chart. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I seen this a couple years ago, and April is technically a bullish month for crypto and stocks. Now, if you take out, crypto was in its infancy in, 2014, 2015. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the last 8 years have been green for crypto, and it's been big numbers. 9 is the lowest. 17% up, 36, 27, 35, 26. This is the one over here that means the most, the stocks, because if we have green stocks, we have green crypto. Don't know why we're tied together. Hopefully we'll decouple somewhere down the road, but right now we're tied to the stock market, and this is the S&P 500, but yeah, that's just the way it goes with that. So here's your top 100. And this is on the day. This morning, almost all these were red, so it's good to see these turning green out there. I've been waiting for this, and everything's starting to look really nice out there, and I'm sure HBAR's turn is coming up. Here's the Fear and Greed Index. The market cap is up 0.89%. Volume is up 49.8%. Bitcoin dominance is dropping. That means the altcoins are rising in price. And the market sentiment is still at a 63, the same as yesterday, still in the green. Here's your top gainers and losers. Top gainers are on the left. And Dogecoin, boy, it just started tearing there. It broke resistance and took off. But these numbers on the right have gotten a lot smaller, definitely, over the day. You can see, 0.5% go down towards the bottom here, and, they run out down there. That's actually stable coins, so not too much in the red there, and the more green is showing up now. So let's get on to this chart, guys. All right, he's talking about that 786 retracement level. Okay, first off, we broke out of this wedge, which I've said feels like a million times now. We hit our target for that up there, which we took off. We hit major resistance up here, 0.07816. And we bounced off that. Okay, now these RSIs down at the bottom are resetting. The 4-hour is resetting. First, let me show you that 786 Fibonacci that he's talking about. That would take us up Okay, that would take us up to the 0.08635. That is the 786 Fibonacci level, and that's where he's expecting a retracement. So from there, right from where we're at now, would be a 24% increase. Okay, so I could absolutely see that. I've been saying this forever, that I think this is 5 waves up in here, and it'll play itself out. So let's look at these RSIs real quick and see where they are at. They are, if you're not familiar with them, they are down there at the bottom of the screen, and we'll go through them real quick. The 12-hour is at the top, coming down. The 8 is resetting. That could be why we're getting this pullback. The daily is at the top. The 4 is reset, ready to go. The 2 is at the bottom, and the 1 is at the bottom. So I'm expecting some kind of movement out of this thing today. Okay, rest of the market's going, and we're down 4.37, and I'm expecting to see that number start dropping. We have a 1-hour green candle starting there. You can see it's as that RSI is turning up on the bottom, so green price action is starting to show up. So we'll see where this goes, guys. Just wanted to get a quick update out there to you guys. You know, nothing to worry about. Just these RSIs are resetting, and the market's starting to turn green. So I'll get back to you tomorrow. Hopefully we have a nice jump here in price tomorrow to talk about. Thank you so much. Please hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys have a very fantastic night. God bless you all. Thanks.